Now come to fourth part. Minus 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Here denominators are same. You have to compare numerator, that is minus 1 and 1. 1 is greater than minus 1. Here clearly minus 1 upon 4 is less than 1 upon 4. Now come to fifth part. Minus 3 2 upon 7 and minus 3 4 upon 5. Here these are mixed rational numbers. Convert it into improper fraction. You will get 3 7 is 21 plus 2 minus 23 upon 7 and 3 5 is 15 plus 4 19, that is minus 19 upon 5. Here make the denominator same. Take LCM. LCM of denominator, that is LCM of 7 and 5. You will get 35. 35 is the LCM of 7 and 5. Take first rational number minus 23 upon 7. Here denominator is 7. Divide 35 by 7. You will get 5. So multiply with 5 in numerator and denominator. You will get minus 115 upon 35. Then take second rational number minus 19 upon 5. Here denominator is 5. So divide 35 by 5. You will get 7. Multiply by 7 in numerator and denominator. What will you get? 133 upon 35. Here denominators are same. You have to compare numerator, that is minus 115 and minus 133. Minus 115 is greater than minus 133. Therefore, you can say that since minus 115 upon 35 is greater than minus 133 upon 35. Therefore, minus 3 2 upon 7 is greater than minus 3 4 upon 5. Now come to question number 10. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. See the solution. Say first part minus 3 upon 5 comma minus 2 upon 5 comma minus 1 upon 5. Here denominator of all the rational numbers are same. We have to compare numerator. Here minus 3 is less than minus 2. is less than minus 1. Therefore, you can say that minus 3 upon 5 is less than minus 2 upon 5 is less than minus 1 upon 5. So this is the ascending order. Now come to second part. It is 1 upon 3 comma minus 2 upon 9 comma minus 4 upon 3. Here denominators of all the rational numbers are not same. Make them same by taking LCM. Here LCM of 3, 9 and 3, 9. So take first rational number, that is 1 upon 3. Here denominator is 3. Divide LCM 9 by 3. You will get 3. Multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator. You will get 3 upon 9. Take second rational number, minus 2 upon 9. Here denominator is 9. Divide LCM 9 by 9. You will get 1. Multiply by 1 both in numerator and denominator. You will get minus 2 upon 9. Take third rational number, minus 4 upon 3. Here denominator is 3. Divide LCM 9 by 3. You will get 3. So multiply in the numerator and denominator by 3. You will get minus 12 upon 9. Here since minus 12 upon 9 is less than minus 2 upon 9 is less than 3 upon 9. Therefore, minus 4 upon 3 is less than minus 2 upon 9 is less than 1 upon 3. This is your ascending order. Now come to third part. Minus 3 upon 7 minus 3 upon 2 minus 3 upon 4. Here what we observe, that numerator of all the fractions are equal. If numerator of all the fractions are equal, then we can compare denominators, and in denominator the smaller number is smaller. Therefore you can say that minus 3 upon 2 is less than minus 3 upon 4 is less than minus 3 upon 7. Therefore you can write that minus 3 upon 2 is less than minus 3 upon 4 is less than minus 3 upon 7. This is your ascending order. Thank you.